a lot of things get packed in a day. Even if you're just shooting, after that you have to, you'll have some meetings, or you'll have to do some, a photo shoot, like a small photo shoot, or meet someone. It's always, there's lots happening, and you're traveling from one place to another. So it's very hectic.
Lipton is a really, really bright, effervescent, vibrant, spirited brand, and Anushka embodies all of that. And we all know her in her recent films or even in earlier films. Sunshine is perhaps one word that I'd use to describe both Anushka as well as the Lipton brand. So there's actually a great synergy between the two, and we believe that she'll bring that to life in the commercial that we're just shooting with her.
Rolling and action!
So what we have is Anushka and two of her office colleagues probably on their way back to office from a meeting, or probably on their way to a meeting. So she looks a little hassled and she is a little bothered by all of it. But when she has a sip of tea, it just sort of gives her a little energy where she feels a little light, okay. And that's what we portray, where suddenly out of the blue she sees one hopscotch grid on the road, and there are some kids playing. And she sort of takes over and just does that. And she ends up surprising her own friends that what happened to her suddenly. So just that little we tried to show.
I prefer drinking green tea, especially if you're working, during the day, because you feel very heavy when you have anything else. And apart from that, it's much more healthier. It has antioxidants, which is great. Breathing is very important. When you're feeling really, really stressed out, just take deep breaths, drink some water, try not to think too much. I stress a lot. So for me, it's like, just breathing, lots of breathing. Sometimes you forget to breathe, that's very important. And just ज़्यादा सोचने की कोशिश ना करो.
See, Lipton is actually the world's #1 tea. So it is the largest brand of tea in the world. And India is actually one of the largest markets of tea. But green tea is something that's evolving as people are getting more and more health conscious. People are switching to healthier alternatives. We all know now the green tea is a 0-calorie drink. It's really good, goes well with a fit lifestyle that people are increasingly following. So that's a trend that we're seeing, and we think it's a great time to accelerate that, get more people to switch from, regular tea to at least 1 cup in a day to green tea, which is the healthier, better alternative.
We are talking about lightness. We are talking about feeling refreshed, but this is not like a up thing. It's where you feel elated and where you feel light. That's what we're trying to do in this commercial. It's about how light you feel in a busy day. We're emphasizing it with a few tricks, where as soon as she drinks the tea, there's this breeze blowing and she feels this freshness at that point. And also when she does the whole hopscotch thing, while she's doing that, the way as she jumps, we see the lightness when she jumps up, poof, and her hair flies poof again. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Thoda angle the cup towards the, yes, please, thank you.
Action!
मेरे Lipton green tea का fresh और light एहसास, अब tasty flavors में. I have actually now recently started doing yoga, so now I have got on to drinking green tea, and it has many benefits.